My name's Dan, and this is my bike check. Shadow plastic barends. Shadow local grips. Subrosa pandora bars. Subrosa hold on stem. Shadow corvus headset. Subrosa pandora forks. Odyssey aitken front tire. Odyssey hazard light front rim. Lace 2, a Sputnic Spectrum front hub. Cult Doomsday peg. Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Subrosa bitchin cranks. Shadow half-link chain. A United Metro sproket. An animal seat post. A kink sexton seat. Odyssey path rear tire. Odyssey hazard light rear rim. Shitty green spokes. Sputnic rewind rear hub. Primo drive side hub guard. And another Cult Doomsday peg. Cult Doomsday peg. Subrosa diablous frame.